Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Melanie and I do beauty box unboxings, TK Maxx hauls, Boots hauls, Superdrug hauls, B&M hauls, daily food hauls and weekly food hauls, as well as other videos like videos where I unbox watches and bags and shoes. So if these are the types of videos you generally like to watch, then please subscribe to my channel. Today's unboxing is of the latest in beauty mother and daughter beauty box. I bought this the day it went on sale and it took about 5 working days to arrive, which I think is quite a long time because it was nearly a week in between ordering it and receiving it. But I'm happy with the contents. It cost £25 including free postage. I don't know if it's got free delivery on it now, but it did when I bought it, so I will show you everything that's inside. Now, I've noticed about this box, it doesn't come with any kind of booklet with details of what's included, which I think is a shame because it would be nice to receive something like that, like most beauty boxes you do, but this one there was no leaflet in it, so I will just show you everything that's inside. Sanctuary Spa Salt Scrub. Skin polishing indulgence with dead sea salts and rich blend of nourishing jojoba, coconut and almond oils. Exfoliant. Long lasting fragrance. As I said, I've wanted to try this for a long time, so I'm very happy. This is in the box. The next item is a Body Shop muslin cloth. Never had one from the Body Shop, but they're probably all the same. And I believe this is to go with the next item, which is another item I've wanted to try for a long time, and it's the Body Shop Chamomile Sumptuous Cleansing Butter with calming chamomile extract, suitable for sensitive skin. I've wanted to try this for a long time, so I'm very happy this came in it, and I'm going to try this tonight now I've filmed the video. The next item is this nail polish by Sally Hansen. It's the Colour Therapy one and it's got argan oil and it's in the shade Powder Room. I've wanted to try this nail polish since Josie London mentioned it. She's mentioned it a few times, she always has it on. I actually painted my nails with it just before I filmed the video so you can see it. So it's just a pretty natural neutral type of colour. I'm going to see how long it lasts without chipping because I need polishes to last me at least 3 days. The next item is Grow Gorgeous Cleansing Conditioner. And then it says 11-in-1 cleansing condition. Our multitasking system combines formless cleansing and deep conditioning in one step to rebalance the scalp and restore hair, allowing it to flourish and release its visible potential. Gentle enough for daily use and suitable for all hair types. No need for a separate shampoo and or conditioner. So it's like the Low shampoo by Elvive. So it's meant to wash and condition your hair at the same time. I do have the Low shampoo by Elvive and I've tried it, but I'm not sure if I like it or not. I don't think it cleans your hair like a normal shampoo. But I'm really interested to try this, so I think when I wash my hair next, I'm going to give this a go. The next item is Dr. Organic Bioactive Skincare, Organic Snail Gel Hand and Nail Elixir H2 Oil. Bioactive Organic Hand and Nail Therapy provides up to 24-hour moisturising effect, smooth silky skin, improved skin elasticity, soothing and revitalising. I've had the face serum or cream of this and I've not tried it. I'm a little bit freaked out by the fact it's got snail in it, or snail gel, whatever it takes from the snail, it's in it. So I've been put off using it and I feel a little bit scared to try this. I think it's because I don't like snails, but I will try this at some point. It's interesting to say the least. Foundation Blender Foundation Blender by Basic Beauty Tools. Foundation Blender Basic Beauty Tools is a makeup sponge suitable for all skin types. Its unique shape and flat side and pointy tip allows for precise makeup application and makes it easy to reach the difficult eye area for professional result every time. Can be used wet or dry. I use the Real Techniques Beauty Blender, which I absolutely love. I've always used Real Techniques. I've never used any other ones by any other brands. So I can only compare this to that. I will use it. I can't see it being better than Real Techniques, but it's good to have a backup sponge. If it's good, I'll keep it. If not, obviously, I won't keep it. Philosophy Amazing Grace. So it's just a sample size of Amazing Grace. I've never smelt this before and I've always wanted to smell it. I wish it was a bigger sample size. I can actually smell it without even spraying it. It smells quite nice. I will try it properly tomorrow to see if I like it or not. 58 Balancing Room Mist. There's nothing else on here, so it's a little bottle, but shall I spray it? So I've just sprayed this and it smells kind of citrusy, and it smells like citrusy and aniseed. I know that's probably a weird combination, but that's what I can currently smell. Never heard of the brand, you don't get a lot of it. It smells like it could be relaxing, so maybe when I'm stressed out I can spray it. Box is a little bit damaged, but it's the Perfecto Plus Nails Extra Support. Biotin to help maintain normal skin. Zinc to help maintain normal hair. Celerium to help maintain nails, with extra celerium to help maintain normal nails. I've had some problems with my hair in the last few months where it's snapping, probably a third of the way down the length, so I've had to have about 4 or 5 inches cut off the back because it was looking really bad. My hair's probably about not quite halfway down my back, but I've had to have a chunk cut off because my hair kept snapping. So I'm having treatments done on my hair every few weeks to try and maintain it. So hopefully taking something like this will help with my hair. And I have tried like hair and nail tablets before, and I don't keep them up longer than a couple of weeks, so I think it's 2 a day. It's 2 a day, so I'm going to see if I can continuously take them for a month and see if there's any difference. If there is, I will do a blog post on it and it'll be on my blog. My blog is linked down below. Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Salicylic Acid, all skin types. What it does: creates radiant even toned skin, reduces redness and builds collagen, unclogs and diminishes enlarged pores. I had a sample size of this before and I never used it, so I'm going to give this a try and see what I think of it. And it's a good size as well, can get quite a few uses out of it. It's 30ml. This is the Philosophy Amazing Grace shampoo, bath and shower gel. I don't think I'd put it on my hair, but I'd probably shower in it. And it says, Philosophy, life is a classroom. We are both student and teacher. Each day is a test and each day we receive a passing or failing grade in one particular subject, Grace. Looking forward to trying this as well. Obviously it's going to smell like the fragrance. Actually, I really like this. So I'm looking forward to seeing how it is on my skin and see if I want to buy a bigger one. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E, Microfine exfoliating facial scrub for healthy glowing skin, natural exfoliants, cocoa powder and shea butter. I've been using the body lotion for a long time now. It's my favourite one. I always use it on my legs regardless of if I put it anywhere else, because sometimes I use other things on my arms and body, and sometimes I use it all over my body, but every single day I will use the cocoa butter body lotion at least on my legs, if not everywhere, and I really enjoy it. It's a fantastic product, so I'm looking forward to trying this. I will probably use it in the shower in the morning, because I tend to use a cleansing balm or a hot cloth cleanser in the evening, so this is probably what I will try in the morning, so I'll give it a try and see what I think of it. And the final item is Scent Spa Relaxing Bath and Body Oil with organic lavender and essential oils of bergamot, patchouli and geranium. Can't even say that. 100% natural. I don't like lavender, I'll be honest. Lavender gives me a headache, I can't stand it. Sometimes I get products and one of the ingredients is lavender and you can't really smell it. I wouldn't use this as a body oil just because it'll be a lot stronger as a body oil rather than using it in the bath. If I do try it, it will be in the bath because the water to oil ratio will be massively different, so I probably wouldn't smell it as much. So I will give this a try in the shower, in the bath, even though it's lavender. So that is everything in the box. I wouldn't have bought the box if I didn't want the products. I've been after the chamomile cleansing balm and this nail polish for a long time. Those two items come to basically what the box cost. It was £25 for all those items. It was definitely value for money. I highly recommend getting it. I'm going to be trying absolutely everything. The one thing I'm not 100% keen on is the lavender bath and body oil, but I think in the water the lavender won't be as strong. I'm a little bit freaked out about the snail gel for the hand and nails, but I will still try that as well. If you want to know what I think about these products, I do have a blog and I do write about everything that I feature on this channel except for the daily and weekly food hauls, so any unboxings or any items that I do show will be on there. As always, my blog is always linked in the down bar, so if you'd like to see what I think of these items, I will do individual blog posts. Especially this item will have a blog post to itself in around a month's time, so will that, and possibly some of the other items, but I will do an overall blog post on this box if you want to check that out. Any questions, as always, please leave them down below, and if you've not already subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and like the video, and I'll be back very soon with another unboxing. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.